What's up? Today I got one of the rarest amiibos in history, Captain Falcon. So, I was just at Walmart and I managed to find him. So, let's get him. Oh, yeah! Super swag. Captain Falcon style for the win. Oh, yeah. Let's get on. So, here he is. Captain Falcon looking swag. So, yeah, this is him, and he is pretty amazing. He's compatible with Yoshi's Woolly World, Super Mario Maker, Mario Kart 8. Oh, yes, Mario Kart 8, yes! Now I can finally get the Captain Falcon amiibo racing suit. I've been dying to get that. So, bow down. I got Captain Falcon. Just gonna wait for the video to end, really. So, this is how amiibo work. Battle with Smash Brothers amiibo. Like Captain Falcon. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.